I read the poet in Amos Oz's book. He talks about Itzik Manger's song about a tree, the in Sumidrach, in Sumayrev, und the poem is geblieben Hefker, and he wants to become a bird and stand on the tree to fill the tree. Manger's not talking about a tree. He's talking about the Yiddish mama who suddenly feels she's going to be heard. One of her sons has gone to South America, another one's gone to France, another one, and she's got one left. Are you going to leave me alone? It's too hard. How are you going to... so she puts this guilt complex, but he doesn't talk about a guilt complex. He talks about putting on a coat, putting on a... Manger is deeper than that. Manger is very deep. Manger talks about the golden apave, the golden dove, who's flying around to find a nechtigen tug. You understand Yiddish? The words nechtigen tug is not just yesterday's day in Yiddish. A nechtigen tug has something, it's like, it's like, forget it, like what are you talking about? It's gone, it's stronger, and so he goes and he sees a man, a fisherman, and this dove, and the dove says, do you know where I can find a nechtigen tug? And the fisherman says, nechtigen tug, you're such a beautiful bird, but you're such a fool. And he sees a black man driving a horse. I don't remember all the steps, but then the black man, he says, and the black man says, again, you're such a beautiful bird, but so stupid, But then he sees the widow dressed in black, and she's standing at a stone, and she's crying. And he says, now he's found the Almunah von Nechtigen Tug, the widow who has nothing, thinking only about past. He's talking about the Jewish people. He's talking about, do we stand at a stone and look at the past, or do we go beyond? Or do we move forward? Are we going to wear the black hats and the gowns of the old peasants, of the old landed gentry of Poland, and stayed in the pale of settlement when they knew catastrophe was happening? They were looking for yesterday's day and he says, we have to go forward. Or sechs Meisen und ich werde siebten, I come in and I lie down on the floor. Yeah, it's the rumblings of a man who is an alcoholic, but what's the deeper meaning? I haven't really gone into it, but I'm sure there's a deeper meaning of lying down with mice, and because I'm sure he didn't come into a tavern and lie down with mice on the floor. There's something more behind it. And the scene with his Purim spiel. No, there's something deep in Yiddish poetry, even the love poems. There's a lot of them, the love songs, and there is something to the fact that there is a depth to suffering, that brings out in all of us a sense of where, why, what does it mean to all of us.